Close your eyes for a moment and take a deep, intentional breath. Now imagine this. Every single thing around you, the chair you sit on, the building you are in, the device you are holding, it all began as an idea, nothing more. The beginning of all things is an idea, fragile yet powerful. At first, it feels speculative, almost unreal, a vague daydream that seems too big or too far away. But then something happens. When you hold that idea in your mind long enough, when you revisit it again and again, it begins to take root. It starts to feel less like fantasy and more like a memory that hasn't yet happened, a parallel life waiting to merge with your own. That is the magic of ideation. It transforms impossible into inevitable, but only when you have the courage to stay with it, to water it, to believe in it long enough for it to grow. Your task is not to dismiss your idea as impractical. Your task is to reach into the day, into the moments of action, into the choices you make, and begin weaving that vision into form. Think of your ideas like seeds. If you keep them locked in your imagination, they remain possibilities. But when you give them sunlight through words, actions, and small consistent steps, they begin to sprout. They grow into experiences, into projects, into realities. The very things you meditate on long enough can be brought to life by your hands, your effort, your presence. So, the next time an idea comes to you, resist the urge to brush it aside. Ask yourself, what if this vision is not random? What if it is not an invitation? What if it's a glimpse of the life that wants to be born through me? When you treat your ideas with reverence, you recognize that they are more than thoughts, they are beginnings, and you have the power to shape them into reality. Here your challenge of the day. Write down one idea you have been carrying with you, big or small. Instead of letting it stay in your imagination, take one small action today that pulls it closer to reality. It might be making a list, sketching it out, sharing it with someone, or beginning the first step. Each action is like putting your hands into the soil of life and planting the seeds of your vision. Remember, everything begins as a dream. The life you are meant to live is already speaking to you through the ideas that light up your soul. Breathe in. I honor my visions. Breathe out. I bring them to life. Trust that your ideas are not accidents. They are messages guiding you toward the world you were born to create.